Some contractors will tell you that they can work anywhere in the world, in any climate or condition. But can they really? Have they ever built an airport runway in a remote Alaskan town close to the Bering Strait? We have. We are Colas North America, and we are experts at road making and paving in the harshest of conditions. From its home base of Seward, Alaska, we transported an entire asphalt plant 1,600 miles to build a critical airport runway in Unalakleet, a coastal city in the Nome census area. In conditions where the ground only becomes workable at the end of June and begins to freeze again in early September, we have come to learn what time constraints really mean. In a more temperate, yet no less remote environment, Colas YCS used warm mix technology to pave a ferry terminal in Klemtu on an island in the remote coastal fjords of British Columbia. When asphalt must be barged 200 kilometers from the mix site to the work site, there's not a minute to waste. Coordination between production, barge operators, and tides was crucial in order for the warm mix materials to reach its destination in a workable form. With further respect to tidal waters, the Port of Anchorage construction project represented a significant challenge. Extending the shoreline when the water can rise as much as 30 feet on some days demands expertise and knowledge that only workers of QAP of Anchorage, Alaska possessed. But the ability to deal with tidal waters was shown again in Ketchikan, Alaska, when Seacon personnel were tasked with repairing a bridge located on Front Street. With tides rising and sometimes flooding the working spaces, the management of dust and debris became an important part of the job in an environmentally sensitive area. In 2008, Dawson City in Yukon Territory, Canada, approved the construction of a road paved with Colas bituclare, a white binder used to reflect solar heat and protect the permafrost. Ultimately, the project was granted to local contractor Skookum Asphalt, since its parent company, Colas, manufactured bituclare and had extensive European experience in the construction of light-colored pavements. Colas companies are found coast to coast across the United States and Canada. We form a web of resources for your needs, talking to each other, sharing equipment and technologies, and most of all, experience. Our portfolio of accomplishments includes our use of ice roads to carry armor blocks to the Beaufort Sea to protect drilling rigs from the threat of shifting ice. Road building in Inuvik in the Northwest Territories. The paving of the Shakwack Highway in the Yukon, and the paving of road accesses to mining projects in the north of Quebec. Colas North America. This is our territory, where we work and where we live. Because unlike any other contractor, North is in our name, and the North is in our blood.